Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you a little clip of my filming setup. This was a request from this girl right here. Yeah, thank you so much for your request and I hope you enjoy, but let's get on to the video. Alright, some of you guys wanted to see my filming setup, so this is it. I don't know if you're going to be able to see very well, but this is my, what do you call it? Background stand. And excuse me on the mess because, yeah, I never make my bed. But that's what it looks like. And then I have the window and I just pinned up the, whatever you call those, not drapes. I don't know. But I put them up with a rubber band just so it won't fall in the middle. And it is a kind of like a cloudy / rainy day today. So it's not dark or it's not bright at all. And I cut my fan off to film, that way my background doesn't move. And I turn my air down because it gets really hot in front of the window, plus putting on makeup and stuff. And yeah, I do have like lights that I have bought. I forgot where I got them, but I've had them for like a couple years now. I never really use them. Sometimes I use like one like that on the side when it's like really bright. I'll pull back off in front of the window and use the window light for one side and then one of these lights on the other side of my face to kind of balance it out. But yeah, I just used one of those like breakfast tables or whatever that my mom had. She has like a set of 5 and I took one and I pretty much ruined it because it's makeup all over it. So yeah, and I normally film with my coffee. And there's my makeup, and I just got an outside chair, which I do want a cute chair, and I do want a cute little setup, or a little bit bigger of a setup. I do have a vanity that you barely can see right there because it's so dark in that corner, but it's really big and bulky, so that's why I don't use it no more. I have past videos that I used it like 2 years ago, but yeah, I mostly used it as a background then too. There's my drawer full of makeup. And these are some eyeshadow palettes that I have to review on my channel. And yeah, I got 2 cups right here because these are like numbers on those little pieces of paper. And that's how normally I pick makeup products or eyeshadow colors. There's my little fan, my makeup brushes that I have not used yet. That's not dirty. I did just clean off my table and put my newer stuff on my table. Sponges, sprays, all that. I always keep my remote right there because I like to, like when I'm putting on my makeup. See, this is my camera stand. Right there, and I've had that for a while. As you can tell, like this little thing fell off like pretty much a month after I got it, like this part right here. So all I did was like hot glue it and make it where the camera can stay. But yeah, they're pretty cheap. I forgot where I got this. I want to say Amazon, but I'm not totally sure. I don't have like Amazon Prime or anything, so yeah, I just don't feel like it's worth it right now. And I've had this mirror for a while too. I got this at, what was it called? I don't know, some kind of discount store, I think. But it does light up. I wonder if it's plugged in. I never use the light really, unless it's in the morning before, when I can't film, and my husband's in the bed still, I'll use this light, with the light, but when I film, I normally don't have it on. And there's my little cat ears, my little makeup swatch. there's my makeup. And I guess we can, this is just like where I keep my, maybe some chapsticks, some lashes, that I haven't got to yet, some makeup wipes, and just basically a junk drawer is the top drawer. These is eye products in this drawer, and this is face products in this drawer, and this is my lip products, which you can tell I love the eyes way more than the lips. And this is another junk drawer, like lip scrub and cocoa powder that I can, when I had dark hair, I put that in my hair when it was oily. And brush cleaner I never use because I normally use like dish detergent to clean my makeup brushes. And there's my vanity. You can see it a little bit better since I stepped in front of the mirror. I mean the window. Yeah. That's pretty much it. And there's the background again with the little background stand. They don't cost too awfully much. And as you can tell, I have my old background. And then this is the new background. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for the request. I'll put your channel displayed on the screen right now. Thank you so much for requesting this. It was a great idea and I enjoyed making it. All right. If you have any questions or comments about anything about my filming setup, then comment below. I do want a ring light, but I just can't justify spending the extra money on a ring light because I don't know if it would be worth it or not to me yet. But I do want it. I just hadn't ordered it basically because I don't think I want to spend the money on it yet. But thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will talk to you buddies next time. Bye. I hope you enjoyed that filming setup of mine. I know it's not, you know, really fancy or anything, but this girl right here, she wanted to see. I figured these smaller YouTubers that might want to see my filming setup might like this video too. So I figured I would go ahead and show you my little filming setup. And it is very easy to film YouTube videos. So the major thing I would encourage you to start a YouTube channel would be just to start. Don't wait for a table, don't wait for lighting, don't wait for a fancy camera, don't wait for anything. Just put your phone on a stack of books to prop it up and film an unboxing video or whatever you want to. That's how I started off. Go look at my first video. It's still up on my channel. It was not professional whatsoever, not even close to this right now. And yeah, I've got a little bit better over the years. Not too much. I hadn't bought that much. I just really like putting on makeup with you guys and talking to you guys. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you buddies next time.